Team Umizoomi was very excited. They were going to the Umi City Zoo. "We love the zoo," said Millie and Geo. "Each animal at the zoo has a home that's perfect for them," said Bot. "The giraffes have really tall trees in their home," said Bot. "They use their long necks to reach up and eat leaves." "Brr," said Millie. "Penguins really like the cold." "That's why their home is filled with ice and snow." "A little purple monkey will be moving into this home," said Geo. "Monkeys like to climb, so the monkey jungle has trees, a tire swing, and monkey bars." Just then, the truck bringing Purple Monkey to the zoo drove by. It hit a bump, and Purple Monkey bounced out of the truck and rolled into the penguin home. "Sizzling circuits," gasped Bot. "Purple Monkey needs our help." "It's time for action!" exclaimed Team Umizoomi. Team Umizoomi found Purple Monkey covered in snow and shivering. "Well, this can't be my home," he said. "There are no trees and no monkey bars to climb." Team Umizoomi said they would help Purple Monkey get home to the monkey jungle. Bot had a map of the zoo on his super robot computer. "To help Purple Monkey get home," he said, "we have to cross the penguin home and the turtle swamp, then go through the tiger forest to reach the monkey jungle. There's a yellow door between each section." The snowy hills in the penguin home were really slippery, so Geo used his super shapes to build a snowmobile. "I need 2 rectangles and 1 triangle, plus 5 circles for the wheels," he said. "Super shapes." "Umi-rific!" Millie cheered. "What a super snowmobile!" Team Umizoomi and Purple Monkey raced over the snowy hills and found the first yellow door. Then they went through the yellow door and entered the turtle swamp. The ground was very muddy. Bot slipped and splashed into the swamp. "Squishy circuits," he said. "If we're going to get Purple Monkey to his home, we're going to need help crossing the turtle swamp." Just then, 3 swamp turtles popped out of the mud. "We can make a bridge for you," they said. "You can walk across on our backs." Bot's super robot computer said it would take 9 turtles to cross the swamp. Suddenly, 6 more turtles popped out of the mud. Team Umizoomi and Purple Monkey counted together as they crossed the swamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We made it! The next yellow door was locked. It was guarded by Dormouse.
To open the door, you need the longest yellow key,
he said, but Team Umizoomi didn't have a key. Suddenly, Purple Monkey saw something yellow and shiny at the top of a tall tree. Was it a key? He quickly climbed the tree to find out. Purple Monkey found blue keys and yellow keys in the tree. Some were long, some were short. He studied them carefully. Finally, he found the longest yellow key and climbed down. It opened the door.
Great gizmos, exclaimed Bot. We made it to the tiger forest. We just have to find the last yellow door. Then we can get Purple Monkey home. I know someone who can help us cross the tiger forest, said Millie. She called Umikar on her phone.
Just as Umikar arrived, Team Umizoomi saw a tiger. She was blocking the last yellow door. The team needed a way to sneak past the tiger. Millie had an idea. She used her pattern power to put stripes on Umikar, and Geo made triangle-shaped tiger ears. Millie's plan worked. The tiger thought Umikar was another tiger and let it drive right by. Team Umizoomi and Purple Monkey raced through the last door and found the monkey jungle. There were trees, monkey bars, and a tire swing for Purple Monkey to climb.
Thank you, Team Umizoomi, Purple Monkey said. I love my new home. I feel a celebration coming on, said Bot. Everybody crazy shake. With our mighty math powers, we can do anything, Millie cheered.